In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a record in Zoho CRM. If you're new to Zoho CRM, this is one of the most basic and important tasks to learn because records are how you store and organize information inside your CRM. In this example, we'll be creating a lead record, which is useful for keeping track of potential customers or contacts you may want to follow up with later. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Zoho CRM includes different modules for managing different types of information. And for this walkthrough, we'll be working inside the Leads section. Go ahead and click on Leads. This will open the area where all your existing lead records are stored. If you already have records in your account, you may see a list here. If not, that's completely fine. The process for creating a new one is the same either way. Once you're in the Leads module, click Create Lead. This will open the form where you can enter the information for your new record. The form may include several fields, and the exact fields you see can vary depending on how your Zoho CRM account is set up. In general, you'll want to focus on entering the necessary details accurately, since this information will help you identify and manage the lead later. Carefully fill in the required information in the form. Depending on your setup, this might include details like the person's name, company information, contact details, or the source of the lead. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly. Accurate data is especially important in a CRM because it helps keep your records clean and makes future follow-up much easier. After you've entered all the necessary details, review the information one more time to make sure there are no mistakes or missing required fields. This quick check can save time later and helps avoid confusion if multiple people are working in the same CRM account. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho CRM will then create the new lead record and store it in your Leads module. From there, you can open the record at any time to view or update it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a record in Zoho CRM. Once you get comfortable with this process, adding new leads becomes quick and routine, which is a big part of keeping your CRM organized and useful.